Have you ever wanted to visit Pismo Beach?
Well, that's what we're fixing to show you. Hey y'all, I'm Dawn.
And I'm Cole.
And we are younger every day.
So basically we bought a fifth wheel, sold all our stuff, packed up the kids and the dog, and headed out west.
Now Cole's going to school and we are loving this crazy life.
On this channel we do product reviews, share tips and tricks for RV living, and take you on amazing adventures just like this one.
If you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button to join the younger gang, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss any of the videos.
If you haven't seen some of our other videos, click right up here to check them out.
Now today we are here at the gorgeous Pismo Beach.
It's amazing. Let's go check it out. All right, we're at the beach at Pismo, and it is beautiful. Sun's shiny, it's nice. Temperature in the air is warm, sun feels good, but the water is like ice water, so I'm gonna go play with the kids. What are you doing to me?
Yay! Under there.
There's two of them. Your dad caught one and my mom caught one.
Ooh, it's bright looking in the sun, so I put mine on, you take yours off. Is that what happens? Ooh, it's still bright.
Yep. Yep, it is.
So for spring break, we went up to Morgan Hill. For spring break, we went up to Morgan Hill and had a blast going up to Six Flags Discovery Kingdom and just enjoying the scenery and the cool weather.
It was so much fun.
On our way back down to SoCal though, the friends we were traveling with said something about Pismo, so we decided to join them, and so that's what we're doing today, checking out the beach, and it is amazing.
It really is. We have been to a couple of different beaches here in California so far, and this is by far our favorite.
The only thing is, you know, the kids want to play in the sand and the water's out there and people are driving back and forth, so we keep having to grab kids so they don't get out in front of a car, but otherwise it's a blast. I'll show you what I mean real quick. So you can see where they're playing and then they go running out to the water. good ride. You freezing now? Can I try? Cool. go. What do you think that water temp is? 62? Oh, look at that one. Oh, man. That's a big one. Woo. This one might, oh, this is a good one. This is a good one. Nope. Couldn't do it, I was wrong. Maybe that one. Yeah, it's really cold. The water is so cold. No wonder people wear wetsuits. Here we go. Yeah! Woo! I made it! Yeah, baby! Woo! I got that one! So the first one I caught was awesome, and I couldn't catch anything similar after that. No? Oh, okay. Digging a trench to the ocean. Okay. The kids have been playing in the water. They're playing in the sand. I've been in the water. It's like 60 degrees, but it's great. The sunshine feels good, and we've really had a blast. Our friends really wanted to come down and camp on the beach with their RV, but the state park didn't really have space for us. They said you can't be 35 feet or longer. It turns out there may be some spaces we could camp on the beach without hookups, but with our heavy rigs, I mean, our rig's like 13, 14 tons. Their rig's probably 16 tons. We decided to stay at the Encore Park, Pacific Dunes RV Resort, rather than trying our luck on the beach.
But it's so close, it might as well be on the beach.
Oh yeah, you can walk across the dunes to get to the beach. We didn't do that today because we wanted to bring drinks and stuff, but it was like maybe a 5-minute drive here.
Yeah, it was real close and so beautiful, guys. The sand is gorgeous, it's clean. The waves are just spectacular. The sun's shining, the breeze is blowing, it's fabulous.
I don't think we could have asked for anything more, except one of our friend's kids, Addie, said, I wish the water were about 20 degrees warmer.
Nice. But the kids don't seem too bothered by it. They've been out there playing in the waves, riding boogie board.
Oh yeah.
The little one keeps asking, can we please go back to the water? I want to go back to the water. So we'll have to take her back out here in just a minute.
Yeah, that's right.
Come on. Come to me.
Hey, Mommy, stand in a place or two.
Stand in a place or two?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
But only stand in one place.
Stand in one place or two. Ready?
Oh, okay. Are these too big of a waves?
We're going to go out a little bit more. You want to get your feet in the water.
Okay, those are big. Ah, big! Huh. That is big. Big or big. Big or bigger too.
Uh-oh, this is going to be big. It's going to be big.
It's coming on shore. It's coming on shore.
He's trying to go out there and catch a big wave.
What's wrong, Izzy?
Hey,
So while I was out in the surf, I went out pretty far, and it's so crazy because the waves would get up to like my waist or you know, like not quite to my rib cage, and then they would all suck out and it would be like at my calves. But the crazy thing is, as far out as I was, the waves were good enough to catch with boogie boards, but just like maybe a couple 100 yards further out, they were like massive curls that you could surf on. And you know, I would love to surf sometime, so watch for that video, that's coming. But it's amazing here today. But those waves out there, they've got to be 8 feet tall, you know, further out, so.
What are you guys doing? Sandcastle! Awesome sauce! Oh, you got a little water in the bucket? Good. You gotta have a little water to make a sandcastle.
Amazing weather today, amazing beach.
We've loved going to the beach before, but going with friends is a lot of fun too. The kids have had a blast building sandcastles, hanging out in the surf.
Yep.
It's been really cool.
Chasing Daddy, I might have poured some cold water on Connor and he made mud balls out of sand and chased me until he hit me. You know, whatever, we've had a blast though, and it's really cool. You can drive out on the beach. They do recommend having 4-wheel drive. I did turn 4-wheel drive on the Suburban.
What are you doing? Digging to China?
Come on, you can do it. It's not that cold. I made it. I got away. Whew. That's all. So I hope you enjoyed coming to Pismo with us today.
If you've ever thought about coming out here, it definitely lives up to the hype.
Absolutely. I know we've had a lot of fun, and the place we stayed was really close to the beach. I'd highly recommend it, and that's Pacific Dunes RV Resort in Oceano, California.
If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Also, I hope you'll check out some of our other videos right over here. So, heading back from spring break and deciding to make an impromptu stop at a place near a beach, and then having the best time at the beach that we've had in a very long time is just another way that we're living younger every day.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.